Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a flicker effect on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my CapCut application, and then I'm going to show you how we can add flicker effect to our video. The process is the same between CapCut Mobile and CapCut PC. You just need to go to the effect menu first, and then you're going to select the video effect. And in this video effect, you just need to search for the flicker effect. Type in flicker and the flicker effect will appear. Okay, this is the flicker effect, guys. We're going to use this flicker effect, and I'm going to add it to my video like this. Right, and here we can customize the speed. Okay, you can play around with the slider right here. I'm going to make it faster, for example, and then let's see what we have. Okay, now the flicker effect has been added to my video, and let's try to reduce the speed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get flicker effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.